there is a new 14 billion parameter AI model called BitDance. It doesn't just clear up noise like older models, it actually builds the image token by token. Today, I'll show you how to run this big model locally on your own PC. Earlier, when I tried large models, my PC used to crash and run out of memory. So I know that kind of pain. So I created this custom ComfyUI node myself, and I also converted the model into FP8 format. The result is quite close to full quality, but it runs smoothly on normal consumer graphic cards. So first we get the files. Go to my Hugging Face link in the description. You need to download 3 specific files and place them in your ComfyUI's folders. Put the main model FP8 file in Models Diffusion Model folder, Text Encoder FP8 file in Models Text Encoder folder, and the last one VAE FP16 file in Models VAE folder. Now I open the BitDance loader node. I built advanced logic here to save your hardware. In the loader, you select your 3 files. Below, that is the quantization option. You use FP8 E4M3FN scaled for the format I provided. Now look at the load device settings. This is how you stop your computer from running out of memory. You choose exactly where each file goes. You can put the main model on your graphics card for speed. Then you choose offload for the text encoder to move it out of the way and save space. You also have attention mode. You can choose from the list. And the next is BitDance Text Encode node. Because this model uses a massive 40 billion language model, text encoding is quite heavy. So I added an important setting here called model to offload. If you connect your main model here, it automatically moves the big main model off your GPU before it encodes the text. So this saves you from running out of memory. Finally, I use the BitDance sampler. Set your sampling steps between 20 and 50. Set your CFG at 7.5. For the sampler name, you must use Euler-Maruyama. Unlike standard models, BitDance puts massive binary tokens on a continuous system. It needs an Euler solver to decode the hidden tokens perfectly. Because BitDance is built on a massive language model, it's very smart. You do not need to use confusing AI tags anymore. Just use simple everyday English, be clear, and give specific details. Instead of typing just a tree, you tell it exactly what you want. Say a tall Japanese maple tree with bright red leaves. So let me show you how simple this is. BitDance is a pure text to image model. We generate this from scratch, and for my first example, my goal is to create a realistic photo. I used a prompt, a cinematic portrait of a beautiful Chinese woman with wind-blown black hair looking at the camera. She wears a bright red knitted scarf against a cold wasteland at sunset. Strong golden backlighting, film grain, and shallow depth of field. And I hit run. In the result, it successfully did this. It perfectly understood our simple English and generated every exact detail from nothing without any confusion. So in my next example, I tested text generation and object placement. Older models find this hard and make the text not clear. So I used a prompt, a cinematic photograph of a golden retriever sitting at a cafe table wearing round reading glasses and a red bouty reading a newspaper with the headline Hello World. And I hit run. As a result, the glasses and bouty are perfectly placed on the dog. And because it uses a 14 billion parameter language model, the text on the newspaper is completely perfect. Next, I blend two completely different concepts. Here I used a prompt, a medieval setting with a humanoid robot crafted from wood, iron, and leather, resembling a knight standing on cobblestone streets. The robot features mechanical gears and exposed metal joints. And I hit run. And you can see the model perfectly understood. It blends realistic wood and iron textures cleanly into a mechanical body. So that's how you can blend two completely different concepts. Next, I test complex sunlight and realistic camera style. Here I used a prompt, a close-up portrait capturing a girl next door look on a sunny daytime urban street. She wears a khaki sweater, soft facial features illuminated by realistic, delicate sunlight coming from the left. Canon film color tone, and I hit run. In result, it successfully generated a beautiful portrait. The delicate sunlight on her hair looks completely natural. Next, I add modern items onto a classic stone texture. I use the prompt, a Roman style Athena sculpture lounges elegantly on a deck here aboard a luxury cruise ship wearing lake blue sunglasses and golden headphones. And just type enter. In result, it mapped the blue sunglasses and gold headphones perfectly onto the marble statue while keeping the cruise ship background effect. For the final test, I changed the art style to a drawn illustration with text. I used the prompt, a gritty noir style comic book panel. A detective in a trench coat stands in a dark alleyway lighting a cigarette. The shadows are deep black. Speech bubble in the corner says, "It was a long night." The lines are bold and expressive. And I hit run. In result, the text generation is perfect. The deep ink shading looks exactly like a real graphic novel. BitDance 14B is amazing. By using my custom nodes and the FP8 model, you run this big model locally, manage your VRAM perfectly with the offload settings, and get full quality.